Hello everyone, I am privileged and honored to be here today. My name is Ted Oster. I am Vice President of Sales for Synergy Dental Partners. We are here today with a few of our very much preferred suppliers and vendors. We have Vice President of Sales with Method Procurement, Allison Farber, National Key Account Manager with Darby Dental, Matt Ramaka, and Executive Vice President of Procurement with Synergy Dental Partners, Jim Goches. So I guess a question for all of you again, what are the savings opportunities for Synergy members? And then how does that look when utilizing Method in the process?
Yeah, that's a lot.
Well, that's a loaded question. So there are a lot of savings opportunities, avenues, and areas. I'll talk about a couple of them. So in general, what Synergy is a group purchasing organization. So high level, what Synergy does is negotiate on behalf of primarily the independent dentist and some very small DSOs that don't have buying power with suppliers to get low prices. So they seek out an opportunity with a group buying organization, group purchasing organization like Synergy, and we on their behalf are an extension of their staff, really, like the procurement department. And we work with suppliers to illustrate for those suppliers the value that we bring to them in all of these members across the country to buy their products. So the suppliers and manufacturers, they get interested in that because it helps them drive sales. So we're also an extension of the marketing for those suppliers to create awareness for the dental community. In return for all of this, the suppliers then agree to give us discounted, specially discounted pricing for our members. So our members benefit from all of that. We lock and load that special pricing, and we continually are negotiating to bring prices down and also to control prices from going up in this economy where the impactors are hitting everything, as we all know, from eggs to gas to mortgage rates. So all of that happens. Then there's one other layer that I'd like to talk about that's really interesting, and that is, for example, with Darby. So Darby's a distributor of many manufacturers, and Darby distributes on behalf of a lot of partners, including Synergy. And those manufacturers, when they see the power of Method e-procurement, synonymous with purchasing, they start to understand that Method knows how to position for the member the value of their product in certain ways, some of which we've discussed. That then interests the manufacturer to then give us what I call super partners, give us extra special pricing, even further discounts from what we've negotiated. So we're negotiating even more. And that is a special price point for our members who will use Method. So for example, Darby, they order their products from Darby through Method, and if our member does that, they'll get this price even lower than their standard discount that they're offering us. So there's an even added benefit. And for me, it's a no-brainer because Method, everything has a fee associated with it generally, as does Method. All e-procurement platforms generally do. But when a member joins Synergy, they get Method for free. So it's really a no-brainer. You're getting it for free, and then you're saving even more money. Who wouldn't do that? So
At Method, we actually call that the double discount because we have the Synergy and then we have the manufacturer on top of that. And it's very easy for practices to get visibility into that because we centralize everything that's on the Synergy preferred list from the moment that they come in. So the other way that we do this, though, is that as the e-procurement of choice for all Synergy members, we also have the ability to do data and aggregation. So we can actually take all of the spending behavior across all of the thousands of offices that Synergy has as a membership, and then we aggregate that. So we pull out and strip away all the important information, the practice information, but then we can pull out what's being purchased on and off formulary. And through that, we actually can provide that information back over to Synergy so that you can further negotiate because you have the spending behavior across everything so that you can negotiate better, which in turn comes back to Synergy members because then it pulls more items onto the formulary and it discounts that pricing even further. So that's how we all work together to continue to negotiate for an independent practice the same way as the largest dental service organizations that are out there. That's really how we build this community to continue to stay competitive.
stealing some of Matt's thunder here, I'll say that it takes a particular supplier to be able to navigate and do all of this and to understand it at first. People like me are reaching to suppliers saying, wanting to, shake them, saying, there's an opportunity here. I'm trying to get you to understand that. I can count on one hand in all my years in procurement, the suppliers that get it and are willing to step up and negotiate with us in partnership for the benefit of all, ultimately benefiting the dentist, finally to great quality of patient care and keeping patients' prices down with that dentist. So Darby's one of them, and so we're very grateful for that partnership. It's all a full circle mechanism. We're all cogs in the machine here making it work.